What's up, guys? What's happening? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're in a Merc today, but not mine, but just anyways. Today's a different mission. Okay, it's Saturday. There's no car things today that I know of, but today we Hot Wheels missioning. Hot Wheels missioning with Ashraf. Ashraf was just at the shop quickly. We with his boy, and they actually started a TikTok where they like unbox Hot Wheels and stuff. And I was kind of getting a little bit in Hot Wheels, but anyways. So he, on the way, he brought me a couple of mad ones. We got a 3000 GT VR and a treasure hunt, another treasure hunt, and he gave it to me. He's like, yes, bro, just have it. Anyways, very cool gifts from Ashraf here. This man is Hot Wheels for Bay, knows so much, way more than me. I'm just getting it. Okay, so yeah, so that will be my second treasure hunt now, the one on top, and then this would be my second premium. So yeah, the other premium I have is a C63, which is technically that car. Yeah, that one. Just unboxed. Just not unboxed, he's unboxed. But anyways, yeah, so we're Hot Wheels missioning today. We're gonna go to a couple of places, I think in Stikland or whatever, and we're gonna go try and get Hot Wheels. My mission today is to get Mercedes Hot Wheels, or at least Hot Wheels or Matchbox. I don't know what his mission is, to just get mad stuff. But let's see what's gonna happen today, because it's gonna be a yellow mission. Because I guess you guys are, there's a whole lot of Hot Wheels guys out there, eh? Well, welcome to the channel. Here's normal car stuff and Hot Wheels stuff now. Hey, love it. Anyways, hey, normally it's big cars. You're chasing toys, man. I'm 55 years old, but still, we're chasing that Hot Wheels today, guys. Ooh, this one is loud, eh? Sheesh. So we are at House of Diecast today. I'm not gonna show the address. You can Google it if you want to, but if you want a Hot Wheels mission, or at least some sort of model car mission, that's the place to be. I'm gonna put maybe a link to his website down in the description down below. But yeah, I'm gonna go mission inside to see what's happening. I'm looking for a couple of things, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see. Once you see it, you're gonna understand. Let me tell you. Okay. Yeah. It's 2000. So this stuff is all gonna go on the shelves. You're just busy packing out, or?
All of it. I first had to do all the customer stock.
Okay. Yes.
But we still got 25 boxes coming.
Okay. So this is Benny. This is the guy of this place, and I never even knew things like this existed. But now that I do, I'm like in a kid in a candy store. So we got modified Tesla trucks. What? Dudes, I'm telling you, I'm absolutely losing it here. Oh man. Sheesh. Where my Civic boys at, bro? FD. Okay, so oh whoa, what? This one has some body fill on it. It looks like. Oh. Boys, let me tell you. I'm gonna just quickly go over what is here. I'm looking for a couple of things. Hopefully I can get that. Oh my word. That's and Bucky with wheel swaps. Yes, okay. Yes. Lamborghini STOs. Okay, so I'm just quickly gonna go through what he pretty much has here. Into man. So we gotta come back when you like sorted, so we can see exactly what is to purchase and what is not to purchase. I can imagine.
We received about 7,000 cars now recently.
Yeah.
We've got about another 4,500 on the way.
Sheesh. Do you sell closed boxes? Seals? Oh, nice.
So I told you that time, I mean, if he wants to do videos and
yeah,
then we can do also.
Yeah. A clip. Money clip. And I'm just losing it because you don't see this stuff anyway.
These are all going on sale.
And this one?
You can just speak to him, but I think that's also. These are all going on sale.
Okay.
And then with that rain, so.
Oh no, man.
Die is alles te Die is te koop, né? Want dit is die voorraad wat van Jan diesel.
This is the right one to get, guys. Put the little taxi print on the side, you sort it. And then these ones. Sheesh. Man, oh man. Let me tell you. Check the M3, M4.
The Boulevard, the DBM, the one that came with the what's it kegel with?
Ah, nah, I think it's more like Weinberg. Yeah. Oh, I have this one. Funny enough, I have this one.
For that one, it's the skyline.
Sheesh.
And when I did the unboxing of the mountains, it was like another one.
All the cases that came to something like that is not unchased.
Oh, wow, we've got figurines also, not just. We've got some He-Man over here. Here's the comment. Yes, see. Bruh. What the wagon?
This one, I got this one.
Oh, you have that one. Where did you get that one, bro?
That I picked up yesterday.
From someone or from a shop?
No, from someone else.
Obviously, that'll be that. Sheesh, hot rods. What is funny is I'm seeing like builds from Hot Wheels. I didn't think they made, or I don't think I've seen before. All the older stuff.
Just came in. They only go for 350.
Ooh, boy. And we have Lightning, some funky cars from back in the day. Johnny Lightning. What? Mini GTs. Coca-Cola. Shoo. Sinner. Riders, man. Not even gonna go deep into it. But they're busy packing the shelves at the moment. And this is also there by that waterfront one.
Oh, okay, yeah, I have one of them.
Beetle, little beetle.
Okay, Tom. Yes, yes, I'm gonna
It's like stuff I've never even known existed, man. Like from what year is this? 1999. How mad is that? That's Sheesh, boy. Let me tell you. Tight.
Do you want just one? Or
Oh, here's a silver one. I have a red one in this.
Oh, no, I have a silver one again. Yeah, this is so nice, the first edition.
Pretty look. These the Bugattis, man. Don't mix with it. Maybe I'll leave with the Bugatti or why not? Sheesh. And what is this? This was the Halloween ones, no? Oreo. This one's.
No, that's the anniversary.
Oh, anniversary. There we go. That is okay. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Oh, you talking about this? Did you get you one like this? Yo.
Another fun box. Don't pack out the fun box.
Don't pack it out, please, man.
There's one like this one, yes.
At the end of the year, we send it out to charities.
2002.
The other day, we did a quick thing on the WhatsApp group and we sent 52 cars to your function for the kids.
Do you think we can do something like that? Do a tour like
What?
and then come into like
Sure. I know you boys looking for this one. I know you boys looking for this one. Remember, how's the Diecast? Just Google Maps. You get right up on here.
What was what? Tino auction the other day, 106 balls for something like 80 million or 800 million. They bought Road and Race in Cape Town.
It's nostalgic now, man. Ronda.
I mean, like I said, we've been the whole experience with you.
Yeah.
Involved. You know, you're going to come watch the rugby, you're going to be able to play arcade games, you're going to have.
Guys, I'm just gonna give a quickie on this man's personal collection here. I can't. Ooh, there we go. There we go.
I spoke to a guy and he want to create a group, VIP group. You pay $650,
Sheesh.
you get $690 credit.
Okay.
Yeah.
and then I started collecting. He's 3 now. I started collecting like 2 or 3 years before he was born. So we just got lucky that we got a boy.
You say that, my daughter's about 100.
Man's JDM also don't miss. Quickly go over what is here. Oh, you. Where's Shamu? White wheel boys. There you go. Wild body EG.
Wel, ik denk wel dat ze dicht doen. Ja, ja, ik van die andere bottels uitgehaald. En zo opgewaren.
Bro. Bro. Give me a second here, man. Our YouTube channel. Man, these are like super detailed, no?
Yeah, the time code is nice.
Hey, there's Alexa's boys. There's Alexa's boys.
Ja, dat is bij Simon.
Yes, yeah, kijk.
This is my next project.
Hey, are you the combis? I can't even.
The kind of houses is nice, huh? Yeah, I like that.
The quality on that stuff is next level.
Really, it's nice quality on the mini GTs and the time code. Really nice.
That's some boys will be losing their stuff here, no?
Voor een maand. Voor 1 maand. Ja.
Hey guys, now you know where to come, eh? If you want to get your mini car fixed.
Because Hot Wheels brought out a boulevard bucket like this, you drive on that sunny.
Oh yes.
Maak ek hom soos daai.
I see you got the treasure hunt logo.
Real life treasure hunt, guys. Real life treasure hunt. Here's the number if you want to contact the guys and come and get your fix. So this is the spot. I'm definitely coming back. You don't even know. You don't even know, folks. This is just what's out here. What's in there is the stuff. But it's busy setting up now. And maybe in I'd say, when do you think you'd be ready to receive the customers? Like now, like for like an influx.
Since we moved in the first day they've been here.
Okay.
But we want to be probably set up in the next 2 weeks. Getting all this out. And then, but we've also got another shipment in next week.
No boy.
25 boxes landing.
Okay, so then you'll be set up, and then I will be coming back. Me and Ashraf will make another turn, Ashraf. Yes, I want one of that ones in. I want one of that ones on the shelves there. Other than that, I gotta think I'm gonna leave you guys here. Please like, subscribe down below, and if you can, visit House of Diecast up in this I think is Brackenfell, Kraaifontein. Come around here and get your Hot Wheels and model car diecast fix. Yeah, I'm out. Thank you for watching. Okay, so we're at another guy that sells from his house. He is online. I think, Ashraf, you're going to give me a link?
Yes.
You're going to give me a link for your number, so I'll put it down in the video.
And what
You can get from him, and he does sell these. And shoe man.
when you do get to the
I like the display. I like the display.
The new axle, so you don't need to cut. You don't need to open the car. You can just.
Oh, the one that slips in.
I'd rather buy that. I'd
Yes,
rather
the
buy that.
wheels and you slip them in. That's why I bought them with the next lot, so because a lot of the guys are asking.
Yeah, I'd rather buy that. I don't want to cut the car.
I know a lot of guys don't want the step of opening the cars.
This-
Those that really do.
First two was there. First two sets. I had both the sets in my hands.
What is selling the kind of for?
350.
I think I'll choke because I'm not spent.
Oh, 34 up in here. Okay, so Ashraf will put a link for if you want to buy all of these off for sale. You have more?
It's all on the website.
Okay,
but I
it's
can
all on
get
the
more.
website.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, it's,
Nice.
these are all the new ones that have just arrived.
This is
in
all the
country.
this is all the can goes.
Yeah, these are the ones that just arrived this week from in the country. All those.
Yeah, I know this. I've never seen this before.
Yeah. These are ones I had in
Okay,
stock,
aunties.
and there's a lot that were sold already. There was someone that wanted.
Unboxing. You're gonna have to go to Ashraf TikTok or whatever.